Looks like the stream is running. Hi everyone, I'm TigerHawkT3, and today we will revisit the star pattern stuff, as you can see. We're going to make squares, rectangles. So here we are. We're going to say square. We know the shape is a rectangle. Should I call it rectangle? Probably. We want a width, and we want a height, and a fill. How about we will first print the top row, and that would be star times the width, and then we want to do the height. And now keep in mind we will be handling the bottom row separately, and so we don't want to print the same thing for all of the rows over here. We want to subtract 2, is what I'm saying. So for I in range height minus 2, we're going to print. We're going to have one of these, and something, and one of those. And what are we going to put in here? We want the fill object. And now keep in mind we already have the sides here, so we have to subtract 2 again. Fill times width minus 2. And then this again. Is that it? That seems like it. Let's see what happens. Actually, let's take out these. Print rectangle. No, I don't need to print it. Did I have these printed? No. I just want to call a rectangle, and then I'll say how about 0 by 0. Let's start with that, and then print this, and then rectangle. How about 3 by 0? Three by 4, maybe. And then let's get one with a different fill. Rectangle 8 by 2. How about with a fill value of the letter X, a capital X, because I feel like it. Alright, let's see what happens. Let me switch to that. Stars.py, and let's see what happens. We get first nothing. Okay, we have 0, 0, and that gives us nothing. 3, 0 gives us 3 with a minimum of 2. I was thinking about if we should warn the user about anything, but this will just be like 0, 0 doesn't work. Let's add. First, let's see what we actually have. 0, 0 does nothing. 3, 0 is 3 with 0 extra lines. It's a minimum value, I guess. If we have 3034, 34, that works. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's try the following. Let's make this 0, 3. Wait, this one didn't do anything, did it? 8, 2, and then what? 1, 2, 3. Oh yes, 8, 2. There just wasn't enough to fill with. Let's give it some height, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna clear this and let's run again. So we have nothing. 3, 0 is this. Okay, so if the height is 0, we just get a number of stars for the width, and if the width is 0, we don't get a top or bottom column. Sorry, top or bottom row. We just get an empty column. So we have a height of 3, and the top one is empty because we have width is 0, so it has first an empty, a blank line, and then for iron range height -2, does this once, so it's going to print this, and we do have the 2 stars, and fill times width -2, this prints nothing, so it's just 2 stars. What we could do, we could add some error handling, but I think something being 0 is kind of enough. I guess there's a possibility that we just want 1, like a 1 by 1 something. It's not really a rectangle so much as a line, though. So let's do this. If width less than 2, or height less than 2, let's raise a value error. Let's try that. So let's run this again. We have 0 and 0 raise value error. Great. I think I can... isn't there a way to say something? Can I have it do something? Yeah. Value error. And how about rectangle must be at least 2 by 2. Let's try this again. And what happens? We get a value error of rectangle must be at least 2 by 2. And there you go. So that's error handling. How about we delete these ones with 3? Oops. Rectangle, I don't know, 4 by 6 with, I don't know. How about now? 8 by 4 and 4 by 6 with a fill of this and that, etc. Perfect. I think that's pretty good. So we have some error handling. Rest of it works. I think I'm going to call that right now. 10-minute stream. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the nice simple one today that worked pretty well. And I will see you next time for games tomorrow. something. I don't know which one. Thanks again, and have a good one.